Hello everyone, so this is the next problem in my SAT Math series. I believe it's number 30 on the SAT Practice Test 3 in the calculator section. And it gives me a system of equations, 3x plus b equals 5x minus 7, and 3y plus c equals 5y minus 7. Only pay attention to what's in black for right now. And it gives me some additional information, which is that b is equal to c minus 1/2. And it asks which of the following answer choices is true, and I've listed the answer choices here. So the first step into doing this problem I've done in red, and that's subtracting the two equations together. So 5x minus 7 minus 5y minus 7. Well, minus 7 minus 7, that's just 0. 5x minus 5y, we just write that as it is. We can't simplify any further. Bring down the equal sign. B minus c, and we'll later come to figuring out what that is, and 3x minus 3y. So what is b minus c? Because those are just two constants, and we want to figure out what those two constants are. And we can do that based on the information that we were previously given from the question. So if b equals c minus 1/2, which we were given, then if we just bring the c over to the side where the b is by just subtracting, so b minus c, we get negative 1/2. So that is the value. And we can plug that directly in so that we get rid of the b and c constants. And now we just have x and y's. So now I'm going to isolate the x on one side. The reason I'm isolating x and not y is because if you take a look at your answer choices, you notice everything is just like x equals y minus 1/4, x equals y minus 1/2, so that's why we're just going to isolate x. So sometimes it's important to look at what your answer choices are calling for. Okay, so I'm going to move the 3y on this side, move the 1/2 on this side, and move the 5x on that side. So I'm left with negative 2x equals negative 2y plus 1/2. And then in order to get rid of the denominator, the 2 down at the bottom here, I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So negative 4x equals negative 4y plus 1. And then to finally completely isolate that x, I'm going to divide everything by negative 4. So I'm left with x equals y minus 1/4. And lo and behold, that matches with answer choice A.